If you have anybody who has got flags, that's fine. Okay, we will stand together. Okay, over there to the football ground over there. We will have a group picture. Come together, showing our togetherness. Thank you. Thank you. Come on. Do you want to say anything? That's fine. So someone can sing Vande Mataram? Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram,
ఈ రోజు మన భారత స్వాతంత్రాన్ని ఇక్కడ ఆగస్టు 15న యూకే వీధుల్లో మేము ఎలా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకున్నామో నేను మీకు చూపిస్తాను. ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే అంటే నాకైతే చైల్డ్హుడ్ మెమరీస్ బాగా గుర్తున్నాయి. ఫ్లాగ్ హోయిస్టింగ్, స్వీట్స్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్, ఇంకా కల్చరల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ చాలా ఉండేవి స్కూల్స్ లో. ఆ చైల్డ్హుడ్ మెమరీస్ అయితే నేనైతే అస్సలు మర్చిపోలేను. బయట దేశం వచ్చాక మన వాళ్ళని ఇలా చూస్తే చాలా గర్వంగా అనిపిస్తుంది. నాకైతే మార్నింగ్ 8 లోపే అందరం ఇలా గ్యాదరింగ్ అయ్యాము. ఎందుకంటే ఫ్లాగ్ హోయిస్టింగ్ తర్వాత అందరం వారి జాబ్స్కి వెళ్లేందుకు అనుకూలంగా ఉంటుందని ఇలా ఈ టైంలో అయితే సెలెక్ట్ చేశారు.
Also is here, my friend Patriotic is here, Councillor. So I think with that, what we can do is, after coming back, the important thing is the flag-hoisting. That's why you're key. So one day, okay, we will stand together on the football ground. So not many people have to take pictures. Just one picture, so we can distribute it. Because if everybody is going to be a photographer, I know that will be actually chaos. So let's be having this. So we will stand together. And because India is a land of unity and diversity, that's what we want to promote. The idea of unity and diversity with different languages, with little tastes, but we are together, one. So that's the motto. And one of the things which I was thinking is, before 11 years, before 1947, during the Olympics, that Dhyan, he was the captain of the Indian hockey team. He won the gold medal, but he wants to actually salute the Indian national flag at the time. There was no national flag at the time, so he wants to. And that's those so many people who actually laid their life, sacrificed their life. That's what we commemorating today. We honor them, we pay tribute to them. All the people who are serving India and served India, who laid foundations. Thank you all. With this kind note, we will all together. So, Raju, you want to say anything? Right?
First of all, I would like to say thank you to making me part of it. And in Hindi, I would like to say, माँ भारती की प्रेम बेटे बेटी को देख के मंत्रमुग्ध हो रहा है. We are celebrating this, the sacrifices of the people over the years. Let's not forget our legacy is work. Remember what my teachers told me years ago when I was in school, Vasudev Kutumbakam. Only 2 words of Sanskrit, which means the whole world is a family. And we have to contribute positively for this, and we have been contributing positively, and I hope so. We will be contributing this positively in every sphere of the life, wherever we are. And I thank you again, all of you, and congratulate you, all of you, on this special occasion. Thank you.
That's a very good theme which Ramsu mentioned. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is a family. And we also say, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. So the whole world, not only us, everyone, they have to be, so that we, the Indians used to promote. So we also had a harmony dinner, celebrating India and Pakistan together, because we don't want to create a division, but we don't want. Is anybody parking? You can actually use a car park over there, because rather than creating gas. So we want to make sure that we are actually people with a discipline, so we can actually park inside. We have, that's the reason why over here, but because we started in 2007 at flag-hoisting back in Bristol. But I used to see sometimes 10, sometimes 12, sometimes less than, I can count on fingers. So last year, when I actually mentioned that there will be a flag-hoisting, I wasn't expecting, but then 500 people came out. When we were taking the pictures itself, there were almost 300. Then people were pouring in. So I realized that people are interested. I'm just volunteering this because being a mayor over here, I thought we could do something, and we had only one flagpole at the time. But then we created, I created for this one, another one, so that I don't want to keep the Union Jack and put the Indian flag. So we celebrated Republic Day. That was inaugural flag hoisting over here. So that was actually a good thing, isn't it? So for the Republic Day, there was hundreds of people. I know that people are coming in. So let's move on to the ground. Can we all together go to the ground, and then Sumesh will be taking pictures. So we will stand together. Okay, whether there's a national flag. So you got the flag, yes. So we will, if you have anybody that's got flag, that's fine. Okay, we will stand together, okay, over there. So the football ground over there, we will have a group picture. Come together, showing our togetherness. Thank you, thank you. Come on. Do you want to say anything? That's fine. Independence Day flag hoisting. So, okay, yeah. So you know that 15th of August is our Independence Day, and 26th January is our Republic Day. So twice in a year we will be doing a flag hoisting here. So right now, no problem. So if I'm still here, okay, that's the. Till then, if you actually give me numbers, that will be good, or to me or to any of our group members, team members. Thank you. So can you all come together this side, please? So kids. Umesh, is that all right? This side. You need to take a photograph. So someone can sing Vande Mataram?
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हे भारत माता की जय
भारत माता की जय जय बोलो भारत माता की जय
Thank you all for coming. Thank you. I know that you all have duties. That's the reason why you enjoy. Have a great day. So if you have no.
For putting your time and efforts to come early morning. I know that how much hassle it will be. Some people actually coming a bit far. Some even from Charleston, some from Stroke coming all the way because they don't have an Indian flag over there. So we have the opportunity, and thank you for the town council for allowing us, for the Indian community. Last time we had to take the Union Jack and put the Indian flag. Right now we have another flag here. So thank you for the council and for the councillors who are here. So we need to stand together. This is actually an expression of fraternity, of the Indian fraternity, the solidarity that we have. India is investing heavily in the west of England right now. If you know that we are, towns are spending £4 billion for actually a plan, like cars here. So this is a lot of things happening. So there is actually, and India and the UK is, when you look, after US, India is the largest right now trading partner with the UK. So India is growing up, India is becoming a superpower. But thanks for all the people who laid foundation, the people who sacrifice for the cause of India. Many people who actually put their life and property to actually make sure that we are safe, okay, and also salute our Jawans who are actually doing a great work. So without much, it's actually, this is not, our flag hoisting is not against any community. We want to express our solidarity with all the people. And like Councillor earlier mentioned, it's Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam. The whole world is a family. We are part of it. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
ఇవాళ రేపు మనకు ఆకలి వేస్తే మనం జొమాటో స్విగ్గీస్లో ఆర్డర్ పెట్టుకొని 10 మినిట్స్లో ఫుడ్ తెప్పించుకొని తినేసి పనుకుంటున్నాము. అదే ఒక 10 years బ్యాక్ వెళ్తే ఖచ్చితంగా మన ఇంట్లో మనమే వండుకొని తిని పండుకునే వాళ్ళం. అదే 1947 ముందైతే మనం ఆలోచిస్తే కష్టపడి వ్యవసాయం చేసి పంటలు పండిస్తే అది నోటి దాకా కాదు కదా, కనీసం గడప దాకా కూడా రాకపోయేది. అలా ఉండేది సిచ్యువేషను. సో అలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్లో బాలగంగాధర్ తిలక్ గారు, గాంధీజీ గారు, సుభాష్ చంద్రబోస్ గారు, భగత్ సింగ్ గారు, జవహర్ లాల్ నెహ్రూ గారు, సర్దార్ వల్లభాయ్ పటేల్ గారు, ఇలా ఒక్కరు కాదు ఎంతో మంది సమరయోధులు ప్రాణాలను తెగించి తీసుకొచ్చిన మన స్వాతంత్రాన్ని అదే బ్రిటిష్ వారి వీధుల్లో వాళ్ళు మాకు కాపలాగా వస్తుండగా మనము మన స్వాతంత్రాన్ని ఇలా జరుపుకోవటం అనేది మాకైతే బాగా ప్రౌడ్ అనిపించిన ఫీలింగ్. ఇంకా చిన్న పిల్లలు పెద్దవారు దగ్గర నుంచి అన్ని జాతుల వారు, తమ మతాల వారు, పెద్దవారు గొప్పవారు అందరూ ఇక్కడ గ్యాదర్ అయితే అయ్యారు. అప్పుడు మాకు ఎలా అనిపించింది అంటే ప్రౌడ్ టు బి ఇండియన్ అని చెప్పే గొప్ప ఫీలింగ్ అయితే తెప్పించింది. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.